We begin the X-box install by cutting both factory pipes just behind the muffler. Then remove the rubber hanger in the back so that we can drop the rest of the system down. Unbolt the factory mid-muffler and pull it down. This thing houses 2 straight-through pipes and weighs a ton. Our unique design contains a clamshell-style X crossover within the muffler that smooths the exhaust tone and increases high-end torque. The X-box's stainless 304 design also looks great and is much lighter than stock. Your new muffler will now slide right in. Just be careful of the rear pipes moving around on you. Now just slide in your gasket and bolt the muffler back up. Reattach the rear hanger, and don't forget that small clip. Install your clamps and you're good to go. We're going to see how this sounds along with our pipe bomb axle backs.